Hello, this is Ryan Downey, the streaming advisor, and I've got something cool to show you. It's a new antenna from Mohu. Mohu, this is the newest thing. It's called the Chroma, and you'll notice it's blue. The Chroma actually comes in a number of colors. It's blue on one side and black on the other. But what they're doing is they're trying to jazz things up a little bit so that every single antenna doesn't have to be black and or white, very binary. So this is their new design. This is called the longbow design, and it's flexible. In fact, when it shipped, it was actually like that. So, I was wondering, it was in such a small box. I thought, how did they fit a huge antenna in that? So that means that you don't have to worry about breaking it by bending it, and that's good. It's got two holes in the top so that if you can put it on your wall with pins. And of course, it has somewhere to put your coax cable. And this is what else you have in your box. It's going to come with some wall mounting things. It has little black ends, little white ends, and it comes with these little sticky guys. They're like Velcro on one side and sticky on the other, with the idea that you would peel the sticky end from one side, put it onto your antenna, and then put another sticky side onto it, and put it on a wall. So that's what you get in that little baggie there. All right, we'll put that up. You also get a power adapter so that if you don't have a free USB port available, you can power the antenna because you're going to need to use the amplifier. It has a nice long coaxial cable. We'll go ahead and unwrap that. Let's see, it's pretty, it looks like about, let's see, how tall is it? Well, it's well over 6 feet. Looks like about an 8-foot cable. That's going to be good for getting it under the wall wherever you need it. It also has the adapter, and as we showed before, the antenna. So let me show what you do to set it up. You take one end of your coax cable and you screw it into this side. All right. You take the other end of the coax cable and you put the adapter on it. This is the amplifier, which is going to allow you to get more channels. Cool thing about this antenna, you put this adapter on it, and the antenna will be graded to receive channels up to 65 miles away. That's just a little less than their sky antenna. So that's cool for an indoor antenna. You're going to get your best results, still out of the way of trees in a high place. So just keep that in mind. But it is also optimized for VHF and UHF channels. So they try to pack as much punch as they can into this. So when it's all set up, it should have coax on one end, the amplifier on the other end of the coax cable, and this cord here can be used to power it on a USB port. Just give you a little range with that. So you get a nice long cable and then even a pretty long spot to plug it in. Otherwise, if you need to plug it into a wall outlet, you can use the adapter, plug it in like that, and that will power your adapter. So that's what you get. You get a power adapter, you get a signal amplifier, the nice big new colored antenna, and a solid coaxial cord along with the mounting stuff. And if you need any help, they do provide some good basic instructions that really cover everything you need to know. It shows you everything that you're going to get, and it shows you how to set up the antenna in the first place. That way you don't do it backwards. And that's it. This is the Mohu Chroma. We're going to be playing along with it, seeing what we can do, and see what the range is like, and we'll do a separate video on that. I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor, and if you like this video, please subscribe, share it with your friends.